explain well the principle of CSC and ARTA, the so-called no noon break policy during weekdays? I asked that to our regional public attorney. Somebody had answered. And the one who answered is from the lady from Cebu, Director Jiri Kalinawan. Okay, with Director, let us read. That's a perfect answer.
The noon break policy does not mean that the employees in the CST are not allowed to take a break and eat. What it means is the office should still cater to clients during lunchtime and cannot use the noon break as an excuse not to assist clients. The office should adopt a measure where the personnel would schedule their lunch, making sure that there would always be somebody who would assist clients during noontime.
Hindi ibig sabihin, tatagalogin ko, hindi tayo kakain ng lunch, no noon break, at wala din break. Meron. Kaya may magbe-break ng 11 o'clock to 12, para siya 12 to 1. Meron magbe-break 1 to 2, para maka 12 to 1. Lagi may para hindi haba ang pila, hindi maghintay mga kliyente, kawawa, galing sa probinsya, at nagugutom na, kung pwede nga, painumin nyo, pakanin nyo pa, ipapayaran ko sa inyo. Yun ang aking lagi sinasabi.